So guys, it's been a while since I've actually made a video. Got stuck doing stuff this weekend with my girlfriend and stuff, and I didn't bother wasting time making videos like I wanted to. I was also down in Hialeah, so I just didn't have the time to make a video. But today, it's actually pretty nice out. I was actually gonna wash the car, but we'll see how it goes when I get back. Actually, I have to go to the post office. Okay, so here's an update. I actually took the front plate off the car. You guys are right, it actually looks a lot better without it. So enjoy it while you can. I mean, the front bumper's not perfect. It has a lot of pitting in it. There's actually a dent right here from another, I guess, front license plate from the factory, or when it was brand new. It is an original bumper, so I gotta get it repainted. It's a lot darker and dirtier than the actual lip. I got the lip repainted a long time ago, or last year. So looking pretty good, especially with the sun setting to the back of the car. But anyway, headlights are fine. I haven't seen any moisture in it at all, any condensation. As you can see, they look fantastic. And I'm outside, so sorry if there's wind hitting the microphone. I gotta get a little something for that. But here's the car. I really like the way it looks now, honestly. I follow a guy named Control Commander on Instagram. He has his car is set up just like this. OEM front lip, the JDM headlights. He's on some I think he's on some mag blue wheels right now, or T37s, bronze T37s, and he has an OEM white hardtop. So this car looks pretty good. My car is okay for the most part. I still got a lot of detailing and cleaning to do. I haven't really detailed this car, so I might actually just start a series, a daily vlog series with everything. I don't know yet. Here's the rear, looking like crap without the wing. I want to throw the wing on, but I won't do it unless I lower the car again. But I'm not trying to do all that. Main thing is just to get rid of the wing, maybe get rid of the hardtop as well, get some money in my pocket. If I were to do anything, it would probably be a little duckbill, but I don't know. We'll see, guys. I don't think I ever actually made a video with the inside, but yeah, still sporting the Recaro bucket seat for daily driving. Switched over to MDX carpets or floor mats, only because I tried dyeing the OEM red ones that were faded, and it actually like leached and stained my my shoes. So I took those floor mats off and I just threw this in here. It's okay. Got the ASM bolster protector for whenever I get in and out of the car. I made sure I offset it out a little bit because I do rub it a little bit with my pants. I also have it here, another one for the seatbelt. Only real reason to have that is if you don't want to damage your seats. I haven't seen this material wear as much, but I know it will wear more getting in and out of the car, so that's why I have it. I'm actually going to take the seat out eventually and put the stock one back in. I also want to invest in money and actually redo the seats and just make it look fresh and brand new. So whenever I do decide to sell the S2000, same with the ISF, try to make it as presentable as possible. Now, if the buyer or whatever for the ISF or this car or any future car doesn't really care for the seats and they want to replace it anyway, I might be able to work on the price, just because you gotta find some kind of balance. But I mean, seats are seats. You can't drive the car sitting on the floor, so you gotta sit in the seat to drive, and it's gonna wear over time, and that's just how it's gonna be. As far as the interior, pretty simple and stock still. Still got the stock radio, Chasing J's, shift knob. Here you can see it. It looks pretty cool. It's like titanium burnt or something like that. Has a nice grip to it, nice weight. I personally like it a lot. AP1 console with the vinyl wrap that I did. I don't like that there's one cup holder, because my girlfriend, sometimes we go out and eat and stuff, we get 2 drinks. So I want to switch to an AP2, but I don't want to do that because I want to keep everything AP1. One thing I might upgrade is this to leather, because I think the AP1 2003 model came with leather. I might do that just to spruce it up a little bit, just to make it look a lot newer. But for now, I'm just keeping it like this. All in all, I'm really glad I picked a white S2000 with black and red interior. I wanted all red initially, but I think all red might have been too much. Just because, I don't know, just too glorified, too, I don't know. I don't have it, so I can't speak upon it. I never experienced it, but I do love it when I see S2000s with full red interior. Like, something about it just feels so Italian, so European, you know, just to have that nice, clean, one color type theme. So anyway, I gotta go to the post office. As you can see, there's a package right there. I sold some Hot Wheels online, and I'm a big collector of Hot Wheels. I actually like it a lot. Actually, one of my best hobbies, because I just really enjoy it. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I post a lot of videos randomly in my story with Hot Wheels, because I'm doing a diorama. So I have like a little display. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this off at post office, and I might go to the Walmart and check to see if there's anything new. So I think the one thing I would say that I love the most about this car, or driving this car in general, is the shifter. The shift is just so short and snappy. It feels really nice when it goes into the gearing. It just, I don't know, it's really hard to explain. You just gotta drive one to understand. I've had many cars that are manual transmissions, and I mean, I can probably drive GTRs down to Porsches, and I don't think their type of shifting can ever match the Honda S2000. And I'm saying that respectfully, because you really have to get into an S2000 and see how snappy it is. The throw isn't that much, it's just enough, and it feels good. You feel confident going to every single gear. You'll never miss it, in my opinion. And of course, reverse would be, you know, down and over, but that's one thing I really love about this car. Now that I really think about it, I never made a 5 things I like about, or 5 things I dislike about my Honda S2000. I guess it's played out at this point. Just, I shouldn't. Ooh. Man, look at the beefy tires on this thing. Oh my god, I don't even want to give that back to my buddy. Ooh, with the sunset, man, I gotta take some photos, some thumbnail photos, guys. Let's walk around again, because I can't get enough of this right now. Picked the perfect time to drive this thing too. Whew. That looks so good, guys. Just got home, back in the garage. Car made it safely. Love driving this car as a daily driver. It's a perfect car for a daily driver. And as you can see, the F is still in the back right there. Next thing I'm gonna do is probably take the OEM wheels, get some fresh tires for them, put it back on the car. While doing that, take those wheels off just to make sure everything is good, store them away. I don't want anything to happen with them. I might take the tires off as well, but we'll see what happens. Just now, I just want to make a quick little vlog, update you guys, because I felt bad for leaving you guys for 3 days or so. I like vlogging every day, so that's gonna end today's filler vlog. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get some more things done. I definitely want to wash the S2000, so we're probably gonna go ahead and do that tomorrow. Foam it up, clean it up, and yeah. Just stay tuned for that. Maybe something else will happen, I don't know. But meantime, I'm gonna enjoy my Tostitos lime chips that I found at Target, and I'll see you then. Peace.